Okay, so I'm going to show you my scratch project, which is a spinning sign that I think no one can do. But it's quite simple, but it's still hard, so I have to look at the internet and do some modification. So look at that sign. I can also show you the script too, like River City. I also put this comment here. It's just simple coding because I copied it from someone's website. Like, I will show you. That's not how I search. So I go to discuss page and start looking for it, right? I try to find where it go and copy it from someone. I can also show you the code and some modification. So the modification is supposed to be this one and this one, but so the code I got is from, I think, this. I found it on discussing page. So I think it's also from this. Wait, I need to think of myself a bit. Okay, it's not in this project, but I forgot where it go. But someone found it in the discussing page, and I tried to copy it and do some modification by putting this here and here. This is the modification. I don't know why this is here, but I'm gonna keep the main window here. Okay, so it uses a cosmic style sign, but I don't know what if I change it to sign, but this is not a good idea. But I can use this in one of my projects. I can also show it the instructions and notes and credits, but well, I don't know if nobody viewed it. I don't know why every project has a single view without any instead of saying 0 views, but this project could. So I have to take you can just like you can just take a photo of this and then copy it. I can also show you the tutorial, but this is going to be a bit boring, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, so you can just snip this or take a photo, but you have to go on high quality and do this, or else it could be a bad thing. But this is what? Okay, so this is supposed to be the end of the. Wait, you can also set its position too. I forgot about it. Where you go, and you can also set its size. This is 100 its size, so it swings smoothly. It looks like from an algodoo physics pendulum, right? That I could show you, but unfortunately I don't have algodoo in my computer, in my laptop. But my computer has it, so I can just like record that footage to you after I video edit it. But I can't video edit it because I'm on a demo version of it instead of a pro version, because I may need some money, so I'm not sponsored by this thing. Okay, so this is going to be end of the video, so goodbye. 4 minutes.